I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This skill tutorial is over the Inverted Hammerfist Strike. Now, with the Inverted Hammerfist, we're starting with our striking hand here up by our ear and closed up tightly into a fist this way, with my thumb on the outside. I want to be sure that I'm not wrapping it up on the inside this way. I'll just hurt my thumb doing this. Put it on the outside. Now our striking surface is going to be down here, the smaller, weaker end of the fist. So be sure, close your fist up tightly to give yourself a good, solid striking surface. We're going to start it up here by our ear. We're going to bring it across and through this way. I'm going to finish palm upward with it. So the strike is coming in from the side. Makes it a little different from the downward hammer fist here. So again, we're here, just bring it across and through like this. Across and through. Across and through. Let's switch sides. Let's try it with the other hand. I want to be touching my ear here, so I'm sure where this is starting. If I let it just float around out here, it gets much harder to do this. Starting it here is going to give me a nice, compact, effective motion. The arm is not moving very far. It doesn't need to. I'm giving this a little twist of my hips and shoulders. Let's take it a little faster. Across and through. Across and through. Across and through. Now, looking at it from the side, this is what we have. This arm is not reaching out very far at all. I don't want to be leaning into it this way. I want to be sure I'm staying in balance. My head and shoulders over my hips and feet here. Now, we're going to be doing 2 of these in a row. Front and then back and then right back up here. Just 1, 2, just like that. Twist. Twist. It's not a big twist, but it's there. Twist, twist, once more. Twist, twist. We'll try this on the other side. Keep your knees a little bit bent as you do this. That will help that twisting motion. I'm locking my legs straight. As I twist, I tend to go off balance. A little bit of a bend down here helps me twist effectively, keeps me in balance, and gives me more power. So again, from here, twist, twist. And again, twist, twist, once more. Twist, twist. All right. Now that we've worked with this out in the air a little bit, it's time to try it on an actual target, working with a training partner. Ms. Hill, could I have your assistance, please? Now our target here is going to be the blocker, the caveman club. Ms. Hill is going to demonstrate this for you on the blocker. Ms. Hill, if you go, that's it, right side forward. Now we're going to start, I'm holding this well out of the way, and she's just going to find it with her hammer fist. She's going to touch it and push it. There and there. She's just making sure of her aim, making sure of her distance, that she's not having to lean in, and using that twist. Now we'll go a little faster and harder. Go. And go. 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 And if you like, faster and harder still. Go. 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 You're getting a good twist your holder is going to have to work pretty hard to hold this in position so it doesn't go flying all over the place. Let's have a look at this from the other side now. And again, we'll touch and push, just find it. There we go. Once more. All right, now faster and harder, same motion. All right, faster and harder yet. Go. Once more. Very good. Thank you, Ms. Hill. Now you notice Ms. Hill can transition from one strike to the next very quickly, very fluidly, and they both have plenty of power. They're both very, very accurate. That is the Inverted Hammerfist Strike. Thank you for joining us.